Workstation Preferences define workstation-specific settings and options, including hardware setup and printing configuration. To set Workstation Preferences, go to File, Preferences, Workstation. Under the General Preference, you can choose to automatically log out. The default is 15 minutes, and it is recommended to enable this option if you do not set the log out after each sale preference to ensure the software will log out at some point. Here you have the appearance where you can reset the program to the original appearance on the workstation, including column order and size. You have your cash drawer, where it will show if your receipt printer is attached and if your cash drawer connection is working. You have your barcode scanner. It just says if your barcode scanner is attached. You have your card reader. Again, it shows nothing because we don't have anything attached to this computer. You also have your hardware setup wizard and you can test the card reader. The customer pull display, we don't have any set up. We have different options though. And you can have a message displayed between the sales. You have a line 1, line 2. And then you can also choose a message displayed during sales. Again, you can use a hardware setup wizard to set this up. You have the touchscreen monitor. You can choose this preference if you want to enable your touchscreen features. That is, if you do have a touchscreen monitor. The physical inventory scanner. There are a couple of scanners that the QuickBooks Point of Sale works with. You can set that up. You also have your pin pads. So there are different pin pads that you can use. You have the hardware setup wizard for that. And you have available printers. So these are all of my printers that are available to use. If you need to add a receipt or tag printer, then you start with the hardware setup wizard. Under documents and printers, there are print options. Under the general section, you can prompt for gift receipt with each sale. You can also prompt email receipt with each sale. You want to make sure this pause between pages to allow tear off when printing is turned off. You don't need that on. You can choose to print multiple copies for credit card receipts and receipts tendered by account. Also, for a print dialog, you can display the print options dialog. I usually uncheck the sales receipts because what that does is when your employee is ringing up a sale, it will give them another box where they have to choose what print options they want. So I usually uncheck that. Once you complete your workstation preferences, click Save, and that completes our demonstration on workstation preferences.